We're beginning this broadcast with some breaking news coming in. People were burning flags of Israel and shouting slogans in Jammu and Kashmir is what we're given to understand. Reports of anti-Israel protests have now emerged from different parts of Kashmir. An artist from Srinagar has also been booked by Jammu and Kashmir police for painting the face of a Palestinian woman. People are now hitting the streets there for Palestine. This comes as we've seen violence in Gaza Strip over the last couple of days. Several rocket attacks, several casualties that have been reported from that particular area as the conflict between Israel and Palestine only increases. Pradeep is with us for more on this. Ishan also with us for more. Ishan, what's the latest as far as these protests are concerned?
Well, what the police is trying to convey to people is that they understand the feelings and the situation on the ground, but they don't want people, the situation to escalate in terms of violence on the ground. And given the fact that there's a strict COVID-19 lockdown in place, so they don't want people hitting streets against it. We have seen in the past as well, whenever there has been this sort of escalation between Palestine and Israel, people have hit the streets and several times has turned violent. So to keep an upper hand on the situation, J&K police has asked people to maintain peace, sit inside their homes. And they're also monitoring social media handles wherein they say that there is an attempt to instigate people so that they could hit streets and create and take an advantage of the situation that's happening in Palestine. But we have seen that there are protests happening in parts of Srinagar. Yesterday also there was an Israeli flag that was burnt and the Israeli flag, Palestinian flag that was burnt and police does not want people to hit streets, and they have said that they understand the feelings and the situation.
Right, Ishan, do stay with us. Pradeep also with us on this broadcast. Now, Pradeep, we've seen the kind of conflict on Gaza Strip in the last 1 week. Several rocket attacks that took place, several casualties also unfortunately reported. That conflict is now resonating here in Kashmir.
Yes, there are certain elements who are trying to take advantage of the situation, and they are trying to leverage this development in Palestine to instigate people to come out on streets and disturb peace and communal harmony in the region. That's one of the reasons that the police had been asking them to maintain peace and cooperate with them and sit at their homes, as Ishan was rightly saying, because reason being that already lockdown has been there, and during the last few days mortality rate in Jammu and Kashmir has also gone high, as that's a matter of concern. But some people are trying to take advantage of the situation. What police is trying to tell them that they will not allow that some people will try to encash this anger of the public and use this to disturb harmony, create lawlessness and trigger violence on streets of Kashmir Valley. That's one of the reasons some people have been booked, and even an artist who was trying to instigate people using art form had been booked. And reason being that there are certain elements who have been trying this thing for quite some time, but they haven't succeeded. They wanted to do it after Article 370 was abrogated, but now they see this as an opportunity, and that's one of the reasons we have seen that there have been certain elements who had been burning Israel flag, they had been raising slogans, and they have been trying to create a situation so that they can encash from the anger of public. But police is trying to ensure that these elements do not succeed. They have tried to convey to the people that expressing opinion, no doubt, is that you are allowed to do, but that doesn't mean that you will trigger violence on street, and that lawlessness will not be tolerated at all. So that's a clear-cut instruction given to officials there on the ground, that whosoever will be trying to instigate trouble, incite people coming out on street, raising slogans or breaking lockdown norms at this stage when there is already a mortality rate increasing, so that will not be tolerated. Book them immediately and take action against them. So there are clear-cut instructions in this regard. The reason is obvious, because they will not allow anybody to play a role of a super spreader, and already we have seen that there had been events in the past also when people try to come out on streets. In just few days back also during Eid celebration, the people came for shopping in Baramulla and Sopore area. That time also the action was initiated. But this is really a very serious matter, and they do not want anybody to play spoil sport and add fuel to the fire and create a situation which will get...
Absolutely, because what's happening on the Gaza Strip, the attack which has claimed over 100 lives, is definitely heart-wrenching, but India is also in the midst of a pandemic, and social distancing norms, COVID-19 protocol, the lockdowns that have been put in place must be adhered to, which is also the message that the J&K administration is now sending out to these protesters. For the moment, Pradeep and Ishan, thank you so much for your inputs.